guys? It's Showy Popcorn, bringing you back with another hit video. Today, I got us another wonderful figure. So this is gonna be an unboxing because I don't feel like doing an unboxing is a bit different. I could put out a totally video without basically just doing a whole review. I think I'm just gonna start doing unboxing separately from a review. I think that this format just works a lot better. It allows me to just do a lot more. Anyways, let me get rid of that Amazon box. So this figure is new. Not new, essentially, because it is a remold. Not entirely, though. Actually, this guy is got one new sculpted part. But we're going to be pulling him open. Be showing all you folks out there. I do not have a lot of figures of this guy. Partially because I'm not really a huge fan of this guy. I'm just gonna get it out of the way because the title of the video is I'm not a huge fan of SpaceGodzilla. I will be real. I like SpaceGodzilla, I don't hate him, but as a term of a Godzilla villain, I think he's kind of lame. But, me when I'm taking a shit, bro. So this is the SpaceGodzilla Fukuoka edition. I'm joking, it's, I'm not gonna try to pronounce that. I'm done. Yeah. This guy is in stock on Amazon right now. But he is basically out of stock everywhere you go. I think it's because it's been 10 years since we've gotten a SpaceGodzilla figure. So, basically, people want a shot at this guy. So, your chances of getting him now, unless you go on Amazon, is very limited. But I've personally own the only SpaceGodzilla figure I own currently is the Bandai America one, the ugly one. So yeah, that's the only one I own. Here he is in all of his glory. So guys, let's see. Will something break? Or will something pop out when I take him out of the container? Will something? Let's see, guys. Alright. SpaceGodzilla. I'm doing the old Steven Toy reviews type shit. Because now I actually got a light box to do my stuff in. So here we go, guys. SpaceGodzilla is coming out. First impressions, wow. He's actually, okay, tail is very stiff. It wouldn't be might heat that up. But, man, I'm actually in awe looking at this guy. Of course, I'll go more in depth, but, that is, I really like the gloss they put on the stomach and the chest. He also comes with the broken crystals and these things, which you could put on them. I actually do like these, so I will keep them out. I do like to put effect parts on, so yeah. But yeah, there's the unboxing. I will maybe make a review, maybe not. But first impression, I think I can make the light a bit brighter. Light was way too low. He looks I just really like the chest a lot. I don't know why the gloss looks really good, but yeah, looks pretty cool. But yeah, we'll get to more into the review. But thank you guys. I love you.